to riding, there's something you should know. Having the right gear can totally change the way you experience the road. We're not just talking helmets and gloves. Imagine gadgets that keep you safe, connected, and make every ride feel smoother and smarter. Whether you're cruising the city or heading out on your first road trip, these tools are game changers. You won't believe what's made the list for 2025. Number 10. Blue Cap Moto. You are cruising down a winding road, golden hour sunlight flickering through the trees, and just as you approach a fork, an arrow appears in your sunglasses, gently guiding you left. No looking down, no fumbling with your phone, just pure focus. That's Blue Cap Moto. These aren't just sunglasses, they're your riding co-pilot. A built-in heads-up display projects your navigation directly into your field of vision. Need a full map? One tap. All without ever taking your eyes off the road. But it syncs with your Bluetooth headset, letting you use voice commands to control your ride like Tony Stark on two wheels. Want a peaceful ride? Turn off all notifications for 2 whole hours. No distractions, just the road and your thoughts. And despite packing all this futuristic tech, they feel like regular shades. Lightweight, comfy, and built for those long rides that turn into stories. Number 9. O'Neill 2 SRS SPYDE Helmet. You never forget your first real helmet. Not the one you borrowed, not the hand-me-down, but yours. The one that makes you feel like you belong out there. Check out the O'Neill 2 SRS SPYDE helmet. With its bold black and neon yellow combo, this helmet doesn't just protect your head, it makes a statement. But here's what beginners really love. It's lightweight, just 3.23 pounds, so you don't feel like you're riding with a brick on your neck. Whether you're on an ATV, off-road beast, street tourer, or even tearing through snow, it fits right in. And on those sweaty summer rides, the breathable liner keeps things fresh. Even better, it's removable and washable, so your gear stays as clean as your ride. Packed with a spare visor and built to meet FMVSS 218 and ECE 22.05 safety standards, this helmet is more than gear. It's your trusted companion. If you're starting your riding journey in 2025, the O'Neill 2 SRS SPYDE is the confidence boost you didn't know you needed. Number 8. Thinkware M1 Cam. Every rider remembers that moment. The unexpected sunset, the twisty stretch of asphalt, the close call you never saw coming. But what if you didn't just remember it? What if you recorded it? That's exactly what the Thinkware M1 Cam does. Built specifically for motorcycles, this isn't your average camera, it's a memory machine. It captures every detail of your journey in stunning full HD 1080p, thanks to its 2.13 megapixel Sony Starvis sensor. And with electronic image stabilization, your footage stays smooth, even when the road doesn't. Wide angle? You've got 140 degrees of pure scenery. Night riding? Super Night Vision 2.0 lights up the dark like it's daylight. And because you never know what the weather will throw at you, the M1 is IP66 waterproof and built tough. It even packs a super capacitor and thermal protection, because safety doesn't stop when the camera rolls. Number 7. Fly Racing MAVERIK Boot. Every new rider has that moment. Foot down, uneven ground, a quick jolt of panic. It's in those seconds that your boots either have your back, or they don't. Get the Fly Racing MAVERIK Boot. Built not just to protect, but to partner with you on every off-road mission. These aren't just boots, they're armor for your ankles, your shins, your confidence. What sets them apart? Flexibility and durability. Thanks to the articulated rear ankle, break-in is a breeze. And once you're moving, you'll feel the CE certified protection hugging your ankles, shielding your shins, and bracing for impact, so you don't have to. An elastic gaiter keeps debris out, while the rubber heat shield keeps your legs cool and your grip hot. And those quick lock buckles? They snap shut like a pro suit of armor. Whether you're trail riding, dune climbing, or just testing your limits, the one-piece injected midsole and molded outsole grip the terrain like claws. For beginners in 2025, MAVERIK isn't just footwear, it's fearless footing. Number 6. The Helite Motorcycle Airbag. You're out riding, wind in your face, engine humming, and suddenly everything changes. A car cuts you off. You're mid-reaction, and in less than a blink, you're airborne. That's where the Helite Motorcycle Airbag steps in. Unlike regular gear that absorbs impact after it happens, this tech anticipates danger. It senses a crash the moment it starts, deploying a life-saving air cushion around your torso, spine, neck, and chest in milliseconds. It's like having a bodyguard that reacts faster than your reflexes. But here's what makes it brilliant for beginners in 2025. It integrates seamlessly into jackets, vests, or full suits. No bulky padding, no awkward straps, just safety that disappears into your style until it's needed. Motorcycling is thrilling, no doubt, but the Helite Airbag gives you peace of mind that you're protected by one of the smartest safety innovations on 2 wheels. Number 5. The Xiaomi Air Inflator. Ever felt that mini heart attack when your tire looks just a little too soft? You tap it, squint at it, and think, do I risk it? Don't. Not when the Xiaomi Air Inflator exists. This sleek little gadget is the ultimate emergency sidekick for new riders in 2025. Small enough to fit in a backpack, powerful enough to inflate a motorcycle tire up to 50 psi, wirelessly. Yes, no need to hunt down a gas station. Just pull it out, preset your desired pressure, and let the digital LED screen guide the process. It's fast, accurate, and powered by a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery. One charge, and you're covered for multiple inflations. And bonus? It works on more than just bikes, car tires, basketballs, inflatable kayaks. Xiaomi's got your back. Because sometimes the difference between a smooth ride and a roadside nightmare is a tool that fits in your pocket. Number 4. Viaterra Motorcycle Riding Helmet Bag. You've just landed at your destination. Backpack slung over one shoulder, duffel in hand, and your helmet? Still safe, scratch-free, and looking fresh. That's the magic of the Viaterra Motorcycle Helmet Bag. For beginner riders stepping into 2025, it's not just about the ride, it's about everything around it. And this bag is built for those who treat their gear like gold. The plush fleece-lined interior protects your helmet from scuffs and knocks. Full face, ADV, even with a Bluetooth unit attached, it fits beautifully. Traveling by air? The sleek minimalist profile blends right in with your luggage. And that bottom zip pocket? It's perfect for gloves, a balaclava, or the essentials you always forget until it's too late. Carrying options? 2 of them. Sturdy handle or comfortable backpack straps, and those oversized zipper pullers designed for riders with gloves still on. Number 3. Cosmo Moto. Ever been caught in fog, rain, or smoky skies where cars barely see 10 feet ahead? You're on 2 wheels, vulnerable, and invisible. That's where Cosmo Moto becomes your silent guardian. It's not just a light, it's a detachable smart brake light with a mission. Keep you seen, keep you safe. Whether you're riding a scooter or motorcycle, this little powerhouse works as a brake light, warning light, and position marker, all controlled through a sleek mobile app. But here's where it gets truly next-gen. Built-in AI speed sensors can detect a fall or accident using angular velocity. If something goes wrong, the Cosmo Moto app can automatically notify up to 3 emergency contacts within just 3 minutes. And if you upgrade to premium, it goes full hero mode, pinging your exact GPS location to the nearest roadside assistance crew. Number 2. Samsung Smart Windshield. You're zipping through city traffic, trying to follow GPS directions and stay alert. Then your phone buzzes. A call? A text? You glance down and that split second could cost you. Now imagine you never have to look down again. Get the Samsung Smart Windshield, a revolutionary leap into the future of rider safety. Synced seamlessly with your phone via a dedicated app and Wi-Fi, it projects real-time navigation, calls, and messages directly in your field of view. No more fumbling, no more distractions. You'll get crisp, clear directions right on the windshield, so you never miss a turn. Incoming call? Decide to pull over or send an automatic "I'm riding" reply. Text or email? Glance, assess, and keep going. All without ever touching your phone. Number 1. ILM Full Face Helmet. Let's be honest, your helmet isn't just gear, it's your lifeline. And when you're just starting out, there's one piece of advice every seasoned rider agrees on: invest in a good lid. That's why the ILM Full Face Helmet is our top pick for beginners in 2025. Crafted from high-resistance ABS, this helmet doesn't mess around with protection. It meets or exceeds FMVSS 218 and DOT standards, meaning it's been tested to shield you when it matters most. But safety isn't the only story here. It's sleek, it's quiet, it's modular. With a flip-up design and dual visors, one for bright days, one for low light, you're ready for any condition. The anti-scratch, anti-fog lens ensures your vision stays sharp no matter what's ahead. Inside, it's all comfort. Plush pads, washable liners, and a speaker-friendly interior for your comms gear. And thanks to the quick release system, getting it on and off is a breeze. Riding starts here with protection, comfort, and confidence in one perfect fit.